Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the option to choose an operating system at startup if you have dual boot or multi-boot options on your Windows computer. So perhaps you have multiple operating systems installed and you want to have a default one that you will automatically boot into, and you don't have to be prompted every time your system restarts or boots up if you want to select a custom if you want to specify which operating system to boot into. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make that selection. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Advanced System. Best match, come back with View Advanced System Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Underneath Startup and Recovery, System Startup, System Failure, and Debugging Information, select the Settings button. Underneath System Startup, Default Operating System, click on the drop-down here and select the operating system that you want your computer to automatically boot into. And then you want to uncheck where it says Time to display lists of operating systems. So again, it's a two-part step here. First one, you have to select your default operating system, and then you also want to uncheck the option to display a list of operating systems. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Once you're done making your selection, select OK, and that's all you have to do. Pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.